In this project I'm showing an oscilloscope made out of a hard disk drive. I got this idea from hackedgadgets.com. Alan Parek has done this before. I've done the same thing but with a slightly different layout of components. This is an old disk drive and I cut up the platter, and that's this metal piece here. I screwed it back down and put a mirror chip on it. Here's a bag of mirror chips that I got at the hobby store. That gives a nice flat surface. I then put on the voice coil, I've got some double-sided sticky tape here to hold this bent wire in place, and then the back mirror here is attached also with a sticky tape to the back of the disk drive, and that makes it so that it pretty much only moves in one dimension. It's critical to have this move only in one dimension. Under that I've stuffed a little piece of foam tape. I think it came out of an old bike helmet, into a slot that I found under here, and that makes the voice coil not move quite so much. Okay, I'm going to turn on this signal generator here and set it to a fairly low frequency. And there it is moving. And I can take it through its paces. You can hear there's some places where it obviously gets a little bit louder due to some resonances in the system. We'll take a look right now. I've got just a regular red laser pointer. This is actually one that I found in the street, and shine it at this, and you'll see that there is a vertical displacement there in the line. It's not a dot, it's vertically displaced. And I'll put the camera down here. And we'll move it back and forth, and you can see that the dot moves back and forth a little bit as well. So that gives us the X and Y axes of the oscilloscope. I'm also going to change the frequency here, and you can see that the loud and softer noises that we heard before correspond to different resonances, in the different frequencies where we have different responses of the whole mechanical system here. So there I've got it at a nice peak at about 2500 Hertz. And you can see that the line is, although dim, in this light it's a bit longer. I'll now turn off the lights, and we'll switch to a close-up view where you can see the same thing again, but with just the focus on the screen.